Welcome to webcast on using MetaEdit Plus for modeling systems for dependability and failure analysis. We focus here on automotive systems and use DSL for automotive architectures and EAST-ADL. In particular, we use its behavior and error modeling parts for analysis, along with integration with safety designs and behavior analysis tools. What I have here is a couple of examples that I would like to show. Here you can see one of the browsers of MetaEdit Plus that allows you to see the models and the elements, and we could, for example, open the model for architecture design. So this is a typical component design based on power connections, I/O connections, and things like that. And this is normal modeling work that people do. But then we would like to do some error modeling and error analysis with these models. So one option, of course, is to create these models again for that purpose, but we may also generate the models, initial error models. And here I run a model-to-model code generator that now produced me here initial dependability and error models. So here you can see basically now the different kind of possible failure cases to these ports, and then if you go to see more details, we can see the model here. And now what we can do is we can start to modify the model. We can refine things here and basically do our design cases just for the case of error modeling. And we can also now run static analysis with these. For instance, let's say that this port has an error. We could now run a check where that error influences, or we could even annotate the models by showing that, okay, this is the paths that this is influenced. So if I modify this other way around, and now you can see that these are the paths that will be influenced. But now we obviously just don't execute these models. The MetaEdit generator follows these paths by using the normal generator language in Merl. And then it also runs them in each symbol, so we can annotate the models if we so prefer. And here we have a little bit larger system, and we can see actually that this is a little bit bigger kind of system, and we can do and use different kind of filters here to see the type of cases we are interested. Let's pick this first one. And here you can see a little bit more complex error model describing the error behavior, and we can also describe here the details of each behavior, like which ports are influenced, and here you can also see the failure logic being written as a Boolean logic. And we can here write the Boolean logic directly or use external editors to write these text if we so prefer. However, when the system comes a little bit bigger, the behavior also becomes more complex. So we can again write the behavior in text, but obviously it is very hard to write more complex behavior, and therefore we can use state machines to describe more easier the error behavior cases, like you can see here with state machines on a braking failure case, one particle braking failure case. And now MetaEdit also integrates with basically almost any analysis tool, Upal, Spin, Simulink, and here with HiPHOPS for analysis of failure cases. So what I can do is I can run here a HiPHOPS generator that produces me the HiPHOPS analysis data, and once the HiPHOPS has executed, then I can go and analyze and see here the fault trees and failure modes for my effect analysis. And also I can navigate and see the FMEA trees and how they are actually being influenced. And now I'm using here now the HiPHOPS tool, and I can do all kind of analysis for fault trees and failure models and effect analysis. So this is an example of using dependability and error modeling in MetaEdit Plus for various kind of analysis. Thank you for watching this video.